In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge from Excel or Outlook to Microsoft Word, the fastest way. Mail merge in Microsoft Word lets you create multiple personalized documents using information stored in a data source, such as an Excel spreadsheet or your Outlook contacts. Instead of manually creating each document, you can prepare one main document and let Word insert the information for each recipient automatically. To get started, open Microsoft Word and create a new document, or open the document you want to use for the mail merge. Once your document is ready, go to the Mailings tab at the top of the Word window. From here, select Start Mail Merge and choose the type of document you want to create. For example, you can select letters if you're creating personalized letters for multiple recipients. Next, choose Select Recipients. If your information is stored in an Excel spreadsheet, select Use an Existing List and locate your Excel file. Choose the worksheet that contains your recipient information, then confirm the table or range that you want Word to use. If you prefer to use your Outlook contacts, select the appropriate option for choosing recipients from Outlook. Word can use the contact information available through your connected Outlook account as the recipient list. After selecting your recipients, it's time to add the personalized information to your document. Place your cursor where you want the information to appear, then select Insert Merge field from the Mailings tab. You'll see fields based on the information available in your recipient list, such as first name, last name, company, address, or other columns from your data source. Select the field you want, and Word will insert it into your document. You can repeat this process wherever you need personalized information to appear. The important thing is to make sure the fields match the information in your Excel spreadsheet or Outlook contacts. When your document is ready, select Preview Results from the Mailings tab. Word will replace the merge fields with actual recipient information, allowing you to check how each personalized document will look. Use the navigation controls to move between recipients and verify that the information appears correctly. Once everything looks right, select Finish and Merge. From here, you can choose the appropriate option for completing the merge, such as creating individual documents or sending the merged information according to the option available in your Word setup. That's all it takes to create a mail merge using Excel or Outlook data in Microsoft Word. The key is to prepare your recipient information first, connect it to Word, insert the correct merge fields, preview the results, and then complete the merge. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,